Welcome to today's daily message. Today we celebrate the feasts of the Archangels, Michael, Gabriel, and Raphael. And what we know about these three archangels from Scripture is that they are God's agents on earth, that they were sent by God to perform specific tasks. So Michael appears in the Old Testament in the book of Daniel. He appears there as an advocate for the Jewish people during a time of persecution. In the New Testament, in the book of Revelation, Michael is the one who leads God's army against the army of Satan in the heavens. Raphael in Christianity is unnamed in Scripture, but he is presumed to be the angel who stirred the water at the pool of Bethesda in the Gospel of John. But Raphael also has a role to play in Islam. In Islam, his name is Israfil, and he is the angel who will blow the trumpet at the end of time on the day of resurrection. Gabriel is perhaps the archangel who we know best, because in the Gospel of Luke, it is Gabriel who comes to announce the birth of Jesus to his mother, Mary. So what can we learn from the archangels? I think there's a lot of things we can learn from them, but one of the things that stands out to me is that just like the archangels, we too, each one of us, is God's agent here on earth. Each one of us is sent to this earth to perform a specific task, and it is up to us to fulfill that task because only we can do it. So the Feast of the Archangels is an admonition to us to fulfill our mission here on earth, the mission that we have received from God Himself.